Hey guys, it's Taylor here, and today we're going to show you how to properly lock your bike to ensure it doesn't get stolen. The first thing to consider when locking your bike is location. You may be inclined to lock your bike in a quieter area with less foot traffic. However, this is the worst place to park your bike, as this gives thieves much more time to steal it. The best place to park your bike is in a busy location with a lot of people passing by. If a thief does try to go for your bike, you have a better chance of someone in the public stepping in and stopping them. Once you've found the perfect location to lock your bike, now you have to choose what kind of lock works best for you. On the official SUPER73 website, we have a few different locks you can choose from. The first type is the light lock one. The second type would be the ABIS locks, and you can also go with a chain lock like this one, which can easily be found at any bike shop. Once you've figured out what kind of lock you want to use, it's important to figure out what you're going to lock your bike to. In most cities, you'll find a bike rack kind of like this. If your city doesn't have these or all the spots are filled, then you'll need to find another object that is fixed or bolted to the ground. Be sure the object you're locking to is high enough so thieves can't simply lift your bike up and over. Finally, let's figure out how to lock your bike. Ideally, you'll want to lock both the frame and the rear wheel to the object, and then your second lock will connect the front wheel to the frame. And this way, all major points are secured. And don't forget to remove the battery and take any accessories that may be easy for a thief to take. Remember, there's no 100% guarantee when locking your bike. If a thief really wants your bike and has the time and tools, they will do their best to take it. However, if you follow some of the rules we explained today, your chances of having your bike stolen go down by a lot. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you wanted to purchase any of the locks used in this video, we'll add the link in the description below. And as always, remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date on everything SUPER73. Thank you.